Giving a fake name to the police in this day and age is really not a good move. At the very least, it's going to end you up in handcuffs, but even worse, it could end you up getting hit with a taser, which is what happened in this situation.
Oh, so do you have your ID, your registration, your insurance?
No, I don't have any of that on me. It's in my wallet. I left my wallet at home. I was just taking my mom to work.
Okay. Are you going 39 and a 20 in a school zone?
Yeah, I just saw the sign when I looked up. I was putting my phone down.
You also can't be wearing headphones while you're driving.
So I'd like you to take a look here at this dice hanging from with the air fresheners. In most jurisdictions, driver's view obstructed is a reason to get pulled over. And a lot of times police will use that to pull you over to see what's going on inside of your car. So if you have things hanging from your rear view mirror, it's a good idea to take them out, not only because you can get pulled over, but also because it does kind of obscure your vision.
Do you have any form of ID? What's in your pocket? What's in your pocket? I never said reach for it. I said what's in your pocket?
Vitamins.
What is it?
Vitamins and a key. A set of keys.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get home. I didn't
No, I understand that, but you're going 39 and a 20 in a school zone. That's why I pulled you over.
Yeah, I get it.
No ID, old school policing, and most police, from a tactical perspective, you get them out of the car. And the law backs you on that. It's a safety thing. Pennsylvania versus Mims.
What's your name?
Roger.
All right, just keep your hands on the wheel. Is there any weapons in the car?
No.
Sure about that?
Positive.
All right.
Watch how the officer in the shadow walks back to his car. We call this the rookie moonwalk because it's still not fluid on how you return to your vehicle. And I mean, to me, I have 20 plus years, so a rookie could be what a lot of people think is senior, but doesn't mean he's a bad cop. In fact, it's really safe because he's watching the subject as he goes back to his car.
What's your real name?
Roger.
What's your last name?
Yes.
What is it?
Yes.
All right, step out.
Can you tell me why?
You gave me a fake name.
Okay. I just didn't want to get stopped. So.
Nobody wants to get stopped.
Yeah, I understand that. I just need to get home.
Okay.
I wasn't looking. I was putting down my phone.
That's another reason you're stopped. You just admitted to using your phone in the school zone.
Yes, I was.
So this is what's gonna happen, like I told you. You're gonna.
Don't reach in my car. Don't. You're not allowed to reach in my car. Hey, don't. Let me see your ass all the time. You're violating. You're violating. I don't want you to violate. I don't want you to violate.
I don't get tased. I'm gonna tase him.
Don't tase me. I'm gonna tase you. Keep your hands where you can see you. You can see my hands. You're violating right now.
No, we're not. Get out of the vehicle, sir.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting, Bob. Stop resisting. You're making it worse for you. You're violating. You're violating. You're violating. Stop it. You're violating. You're violating. You're violating. I don't want to hear it. You're violating, bro. You're violating right now. You're violating. I don't want to hear it.
Hey, open that door.
I don't want to hear it. You're violating.
Break the window.
I don't want to hear it. Break the window. Do not break the window. You move. You're gonna get tased. Give me your hand. Hey, tase him. Tase him. Tase him. Ah!
Put your hands up.
They're up. They're up. They're up.
On the ground.
Let me get out. Let me get out. Let me get out. Please let me get out.
Hey, watch out for the taser.
Just get out.
I'm gonna tase him again.
Don't, because I know how to. Okay. Hands behind your back now. Roll over. I can't breathe. There's stuff in my pocket. I can't breathe, please.
Relax.
I can't breathe, please. I have heart problems, please.
No, you're good. 411.
That's good.
Yep.
I can't breathe, please help me.
Okay, a lot of stuff to unpack in this because this tasing was a very interesting choice by the officers, and their initial inability to get the subject into custody were some challenges. I was a Taser instructor, went to Taser school, and this is called the ride for $5. It's a coin that you get when you take the ride, when you get tased, and it is incredibly painful. But there are two things when it comes to the Taser. The first is localized pain. If those prongs hit very close and don't have a significant spread, then it doesn't lock the body up. It's just localized pain in the area where they get tased. And that's what it looked like happened when the initial tasing. It hurt the subject. He was still able to move around because his body's not locked up. The second deployment of the Taser, we hear the scream and we see what appears to be NMI, which is neuromuscular incapacitation, which is where the body locks up. And that's the challenge we have with tasing. Is you see in all these movies and you see people talking on these videos about tasing, or let's tase them, or let's use this and let's do that. They don't know that it's not effective unless you have the spread. It's only localized pain.
Please pick up that card. That's not mine. Don't lose it. Please don't lose it.
We're not gonna lose anything. Go ahead and stand up for him.
Can you help me up?
Yes.
Other arm. Other arm. Other arm.
Grab the other arm.
Spread your legs out, you guys. Don't use.
Hang on here, bro. Hold on. Let me take these off you.
Go ahead and sit them down till you get EMS there. You got all the phones out of them?
I believe so. Jacket. Lean forward.
What is, hold on, what is this right here? Here it is in this arm right here. Alright, is that it? I don't have on gloves. Can you sit him in your
sit
car?
down.
Sit him in your car and let EMS take it out. Are you okay? No. Not you.
Take that cord off.
Go ahead, boo. Push your feet in. Put your feet in.
Appreciate it. Here's at a weird angle for the taser. Resisting and no, probably no DL. Or not resisting without. Resisting with. Resisting with. Yeah, false name.
You figure out who he is?
Nah.
You rapid?
Yeah, if you can guess that one. For 4-2. You're gonna have resisting with and giving a false name to Leo. What's your real name?
I already told you.
Tell me Roger Caesar.
I already told you. I told you the second time.
Not a problem. We'll get you a fingerprint if you don't want to provide that to me.
I told you.
What's your real name?
I already told you, man.
You did not tell me, sir.
But this is the same shit you did, bro. Come on.
Alright,
You broke my window. You want me to tell you, bro?
You want to tell me?
I'll tell you, but you gotta realize this is a dickhead move.
It's not a
bro.
dickhead move. I
Yeah.
gave you plenty of warning.
No,
What's your
didn't.
name?
Roderick Cassius.
Spell it.
RODRICK
Last name.
CASSEUS.
Hang tight. Sit in there. EMS is coming.
There are a lot of ways that we can figure out a person's real name. I'm not going to share those with you because those are police tactics that should remain amongst the police. However, what I will tell you is that you will be charged if you give a fake name. And then if you get booked as a John Doe, you'll have to sit in jail until your fingerprints return and they figure out who you really are. So this guy lost a window, gets tased twice, an NMI and a localized, and he gets booked in jail for what? Maybe some reason that he didn't want to tell his initial name. It's not a win because if you're hiding something, they're going to find that out. And then you added all this additional stuff on. Not a win in any way, shape, or form. And I kind of blame the internet for this guy being so emboldened to think that he can act this way when the officer approaches him in his car. The officer was very professional. While there were some tactical challenges I had with the way that they took him into custody, they're still an overall win for them. If you know someone who's going to be felony stupid enough to give a fake name, share this video with them so that they can know it's not going to work. We need to get information on the internet that's correct, that supersedes or goes over all the nonsense that's going around. And if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. And then click on the video that's on your screen as well, because there's more content just like this that you can learn from.